on this side, you hold this button down that we just put in and run it back and forth to make it rotate. The wire we run down in a hose through that, and then we put it in a hose through here just to give it a chance and then run over the battery. It's like a 20 footer and a 8 footer on the wire lengths. Then on this side, the case drain, we bring it right back, down around, and come in right there. It's a number 4 BSP fitting. We put it in a 90. We got a 9-foot 3/8 hose to that joint, and then a 9-foot 3/8 hose to this joint, and then a 4-footer. And then these fittings in this are number 8 BSP.